Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have another project share for you guys. I have some embellished tags, Halloween theme of course, to share with you. I didn't use any particular collection to create these, but I did use one paper pad, and it's the My Mind's Eye Trick or Treat from last year. So all the papers on the tags are from that collection. But as far as the ephemera and the little embellishments, it's just from my stash in general. The tags are all made with this die, and this is a AliExpress die. I'll have the link down below so you guys can definitely check it out. You get a variety of sizes, but I used the big one. It is a stitch die. You don't necessarily have to use a die to create your tags, of course. You can just cut out tags easily. I've done that before and embellish them that way. So let me show you guys the tags that I created. I absolutely love them. I think they came out so cute. And here's the first one. It's this cute little skeleton embellishment. Well, not embellishment, die cut. I added some googly eyes because googly eyes make everything super fun. Some little spider stickers, a doily in the back. I used a bunch of trim from Halloween, the Halloween collection from Michael's last year. I cut out a little cut apart from one of my collections and I just put it on his hand. It says trick or treat. This cute little spooky sticker. I did ink the edges lightly. And you guys, how fun does this tag look? I absolutely love it. This is the next one. We have some cute little trim up here, a little googly eye, and then it says trick or treat right here in the little die cut with a little spider. Then we have this cute little like laced little trim I had, some spiders right there. I did prop it up on some foam tape, but that's that one. Then we have this one, which is another one of my favorites. I have some little black eyelash trim on the top. This cute little haunted house with a spider, the little ghost in the back, another googly eye. These little word stickers that I have a bunch of these because a lot of my pen pals sent me last year a bunch, so I have a bunch of that in my stash. This cute little butterfly. So there's that one. Then we have this one. I added some pom-pom trim here from Michael's. Cute little puffy stickers from the Pebbles collection. We have this little yellow doily. This is from, I think, Doodlebug. This cute little ephemera piece that says hello beautiful. A little googly eye. And of course some more ribbon. The edges are also inked. And then we have this one, which is so fun. It's a little ghost with a little purple bow, some like iridescent ribbon. There's a little spider right here on some purple polka dot riffraff ribbon, some gems. And over here, which I think is so cute, I used some alphas in gold. But for the little O's, I did use the alphas in the back, but I put some big googly eyes with some lashes right over it just to make it fun. And I think it turned out so cute. You guys should definitely try that if you haven't. I got these googly eyes at my local dollar store, but I'm sure they have them everywhere by now. And the last tag is this one, which is so cute. It's just like a polka dot paper. I got some black gemstones up here, some green glittery ribbon. And then these little things right here was this little tag actually. It's a little sticker pack that I got in some Happy Mail last year. I just added this little gold enamel dot. And then this little card here with the pumpkin cutout is a piece of ephemera from a jelly bean soup ephemera pack. More googly eyes, of course. More word stickers and another enamel dot right here. Inked edges. But yeah, you guys, those are the tags that I created. Let me know down below if you guys are going to create some tags. I'm probably going to make a bunch more, especially for my series, just to share with you guys, just embellish and decorate some tags. I know you guys love it when I do a video like that. I'm also going to do a bunch of stuff. There's going to be Halloween themed Wifey Wednesdays. So definitely stay tuned for that series, you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.